Hi guys, welcome to Code the Code. Today we are here to learn our first tutorial on Macromedia Flash Player, and I am using the Macromedia Flash Professional 8. So let's start with the Flash document. This is the screen for the Flash Player, and this part of the Flash Player is called as a timeline, and this is the scene layers that you create, and these are called as the frames. This is the library where you will see the symbols that you create. This is the actions bar where you can select different actions to create animation. This is the toolbox, pretty much like the paint tools. So today we are creating a running bus animation. So we would need wheels and the body of the bus. So let's get started with the creation of wheel. First we go to insert a new symbol, that is Control F8, and create a wheel, movie clip. Okay. So here you can create your symbol. So we select a circle and a different color. So this is what would look like. I chose this color because when we create the animation for the moving wheel, we will be able to see the wheel moving because of the color of the circle. And as I told you, these are the frames. So we select the symbol with the free transform tool, and we create the animation. So the first frame, that is on the first frame, this is the position of your wheel. Now you create a keyframe on the 10th position, so that is insert keyframe. Okay, so this means that your wheel will be on the screen for around 10 frames, that is 10 seconds I guess, and we create a motion tween. Okay, so select all the frame 1 to 10 and right click, create motion tween. When you see the wheel moving, you would understand what the motion tween means. Okay, so now on the first frame, the position of the wheel is this. Now on the 10th position, we want to change the position of the wheel. So click on the 10th position and rotate your wheel. Pretty good. Now this is only a half moving wheel. So go to the 20th position of the frame and create insert keyframe. See, the motion tween came on itself because we selected the keyframes from 1 to 10 and then we right clicked and selected the motion tween. So now see, when you select it, you see the wheel moving on its own, right? But when we go on the 10th position to the 20th, we don't, because we haven't created a position for the 20th frame. So we do that, rotate it. Okay, now go to frame 1, go to frame 1 and select the frames. So you see that moving, right? It's a full circle. Now you have created your moving wheel. Now we create a new symbol for the bus. Okay, the body of the bus. Okay, bus, movie clip. Now I'm not that good at art, but then let's create a very simple bus. Okay, I take the red color and rectangle tool. We create a rectangle, the body of the bus. Okay, just in case, for the bus to look good, we create some windows. Don't mind with the shape, please. Okay, great. To give it a nice look. Okay. Now, this is the body of the bus that you have created. Now, bus and wheel. Okay. Now we go to scene 1. And we drag the body of the bus, that is a bus symbol, okay, and we resize it. Okay, now the bus is on the position that you want. We drag the wheel, okay, and we resize it. Okay, drag the second wheel, resize it. Now, on the frame 1, this is what the position of your bus is. So, as we created keyframe, as we insert the keyframe on the 10th frame, right click and insert keyframe and select the frames and create motion tween. Okay. Now, on the first position, this is the position of your bus, and on the 10th position, you want to change it. So, let's move it a little further. On the 20th position, you want it a little more further. Okay. And 25th, this is the end. Okay. So, you have already created it. So, you can see it's moving. Okay. But here, you don't see the wheels moving. Enter. Just press enter from your keyboard and you see the bus moving. Here, the wheels aren't moving, but actually in the animation you will see that the wheels do move. So to see the actual animation, you need to press Ctrl Enter from your keyboard. Okay, you see the wheels moving now. So this was our tutorial for the running bus. I really hope you understood and you liked the video. Do subscribe and like. Thank you.